My quantum leap testimony. Listening to this documented testimony, I hail from a family where poverty is our identity, to the extent that we can't afford to feed, talk less of going to school. We can't afford to do anything on our own except through loan and borrowing. But today, I am a graduate. During the Wonder Double prophetic agenda, the God of Wonder Double visited me by giving me a comfortable job in an enviable environment. As an orphan, at the age of 27, I have trained two of my siblings from the university by the help of God. I asked God for a visa to study nursing at the Republic of Ireland, and He did it. It was not easy at the beginning. My visa was denied July 2016. I came to church rejected and frustrated. During the Enough is Enough service, Bishop David Oyedepo instructed us to write our expectation in a piece of paper and place it on the floor. And I wrote that my visa be reverted and my application be granted. The God of Wonder Double did it. Today, my visa is granted, and right now, I am at the Republic of Ireland studying nursing. The God of Bishop David Oyedepo has changed my story. God is indeed at Living Faith Church. I bless His holy name. May His name alone be all the glory. Truly, Bishop David Oyedepo is a prophet sent from God. Eze Ifeoma Amanda is the testifier. Before we move to the next video, please subscribe to this channel for more uplifting testimony and click the notification bell so you get to know when we drop another inspiring testimony. If you are a returning subscriber, please like this video and share it. Someone in your timeline might need it. Someone in your timeline might need that encouragement. 8 years barrenness destroyed via kingdom service. We were gloriously married on December 2nd, 2006, and on October 12, 2007, God blessed us with a bouncing baby boy. However, after then the enemy struck. For 8 years, other babies were not forthcoming. Medical examinations were conducted, but could not detect anything serious. However, since the doctors always have something to say, they claimed that there was infection and a small ovarian cyst. In one of the instances, the doctor said my husband has low sperm count, so we continue to engage in kingdom service on every available platform. We gave out our house as WSF Center, and we are both cell ministers. We serve the Lord joyfully and engage tirelessly in vigorous outreach programs. Towards the end of Operation Rescue, which ran from September 7 to October 25, 2015, the Lord showed up. The Lord declared via His servant Bishop Oyedepo during one of the Covenant Hour of Prayer services in October 2015 that before the end of Operation Rescue, someone in line for Miracle Baby would be confirmed pregnant. 3 things happened within that week. In quick succession, an evil bird fell down and died in our residence one morning. That same week, a woman and a man, both of who were household enemies, died mysteriously in the village. That month, my wife took in, and there was no issue from day one to the last day of the pregnancy. We have come to return to the Lord the product of that pregnancy, our beautiful princess, Precious Aboloka. To God be all the glory. Mr. and Mrs. Barry Gbarage is the testifier.